Hello and welcome to this tutorial. We will learn how to connect this theme here to our GitHub repository. Okay, so what I'm going to do quickly, I'm going to open my terminal. I'm going to clone this theme locally to my computer. So let me go quickly to the place where I'm keeping all my projects. So you can do the same as well. So mine is inside Shopify and then the theme directory. And here, let's say I'm going to create some directory. So I'm going to call it YouTube Gymshark like this, because I'm also creating a long video how to build a clone of Gymshark. Okay, so I'm going to press enter and I'm going to cd to this YouTube Gymshark. And then over here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write this command. So Shopify theme pull -- store, because I want to pull this current theme I do have here. So I'm going to click on view store. I will grab this link, copy that, open my terminal again, paste it here, just remove the .myshopify.com and remove also this HTTP here, and then press enter. It's going to clone our theme locally. So there you go, we have Horizon just like we do have here. So I want to clone it, so we press enter. All right, so now let's say now we have this theme locally. Okay, so if I go codes that to open it with VS Code, we have our clone Horizon theme locally in our computer. If I want to connect this theme now to my GitHub and make the change directly here, and also to capture the change made online, so we can see it through GitHub as well. So we can go to our GitHub. Okay, so I will go to my GitHub first of all, and here I'm going to create a new repository. I'm going to call it YouTube Gymshark, and I will click on create repository. I will open my VS Code. I will go to terminal here, and what I'm gonna do, I will just use these commands we do have here. All right, so I'm gonna say here git init. So then we're gonna say git add everything, and then we're gonna commit it. I just want to show you. You know what? Let's do it like this. So git commit, and we're gonna call it first commit. Okay, and then we have to create this branch. So I will come here and I will just copy all of this here, and I will go to my VS Code, paste it, and then I will just push it. So GitHub push, and I will say origin main, and there you go. Okay, so it is pushed in my GitHub. So if I come over here and I reload, I'm gonna see it over here. So now how to connect it? So we will go to our admin Shopify here. Let's reload. So to connect it, you're gonna come to this import theme here, and you click on connect from GitHub. And then here, if you're not connected, you have to connect, and you have also to decide about the permissions. So in my case, I give Shopify access to all my repositories. So you can also like select only the one that you want Shopify to have access to. So, and here we will select our repository. So we made YouTube Gymshark, so we select it, and then it's gonna prompt me with the current branch that we do have. So I have only main, and all I have to do is just to click on connect, and there you go. Once he's connected, it's gonna appear over here. All right, so once it's done, all you have to do now is just to click on publish and publish again. Now all the change that you're gonna make in this GitHub here is going to be appearing in our GitHub. Let's make a test. So now we have nothing, as you can see. Okay, but if I come over here, if I go to edit theme, and let's say that I made a change here. So instead of product, so let's say plus something, and if I save it, there you go. If I come to my GitHub and I reload, I'm going to see one commit here. May reload, and there you go. So we're gonna have like this update from Shopify theme, and if we click on it, we're going to see exactly what's changed. So we had this text here, so browse our latest product, and now we have browse our latest product plus something is the change we made exactly right here. All right, so thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.